Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. Friends, if you are having multiple Instagram accounts, then you can very easily add it on your Instagram app. Now first you need to open your Instagram app. On your Instagram app you need to go to profile. Here you will find your Instagram ID and a small downside arrow. Press on that arrow. Now here you will find the option of add account. Now here you can use your existing Instagram account or can create new account also. I am using my existing account. Now here enter your Instagram ID and password. Now as you can see, we have logged in our second Instagram ID, and to switch between accounts you need to go to profile, and from here you can switch between the accounts. Now it is showing my both the IDs. Right now it's on my first ID, and to use other Instagram account I simply need to select the other account. So friends, like this you can add other Instagram accounts also. Right now I am using 2 accounts on my app. So friends, I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.